Hi guys, it's some of the last goodies from our garden and I want to share a recipe with it. So I have a red cabbage. We're over with all the Halloween recipes now and moving into the Thanksgiving recipes. And today I want to share a healthy option for a side dish for Thanksgiving or a Sunday dinner. So today I'm gonna share a salad recipe with this beautiful cabbage from our garden. You want to start by peeling the onion and slicing it really finely so that you don't have those big onion chunks in your salad but rather the really thin slices. Then you want to grab the cabbage and also slice it really thinly. Then you want to add in the cabbage to the onions and give it a really short mix. And then we are going to prepare something for the apples because you don't want any brown apples in your salad. So grab a lemon, pour some water into a medium bowl and squeeze the juice of one lemon into the water. I'm not sure whether you actually need the juice of one whole lemon, but I just wanted to be sure and use the whole lemon. Then you want to peel the apple, de-seed it and slice it finely. And once you have the apple slices, don't let them wait around but add them in to the lemon water right away. Then you want to halve the fresh cranberries and you can add them into the rest of the ingredients in your salad. Then I wanted to add something green, so you can add this, or if you don't like celery, you can leave it out. Then lastly, chop the walnuts, add them into the salad along with the apples and give the salad a good mix. Then you want to make the dressing, and for that you want to combine 2 tablespoons of olive oil with about a teaspoonful of honey, season it with salt and black pepper and give it a short mix. And then you want to add the dressing into the salad, give the salad a final mix and it's ready for serving. So I must say, I'm really excited that we got so many things from the garden this year. I know we could have done or got a lot more, but it was a lot of work and it was the first year. So I'm still excited that we got so many things, and I'm especially excited about big things like the cabbage. There will be some more recipes with the red cabbage coming soon, but until then I hope you liked the red cabbage salad and that you will be trying it out for Thanksgiving or for a Sunday dinner. If you enjoyed this healthy salad recipe, don't forget that thumbs up so I know you're enjoying the healthy recipes as well, and don't forget to tap that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the coming recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.